When I was getting ready for all of my appointments, either pre-op or post-op, really we just tried to arm ourselves with as much information as possible.
So as a caregiver, the one thing I've learned is it's on me to be prepared. I can't just walk into a scenario as a caregiver without intelligent questions in my arsenal. So before any meeting with a doctor, I make sure to prepare as best as possible. Now, the preparation could be going online and doing searches. It can be asking your doctors in advance, what's the agenda for the meeting so I can prepare myself?
My wife was extremely involved in doctor's appointments. She often would write down all of our questions ahead of time. She was always there to support and assist in that way. And I recommend that as well, because whether you're on pain meds or whatever, it's enough of a brain fog just getting the diagnosis alone that you're gonna forget some stuff.
In preparing and discussing with my wife and all the knowledge I was learning, we wrote down questions. A lot of the questions had to do with dealing with side effects, medications I was on, from steroids, nutrition and diet, but also more medically technical information such as tumor burden and mutations, KRAS and BRAF mutations, and how that actually could change the ability of what chemotherapies I was taking, if I was eligible for immunotherapies that were new and helping people every day.
I asked a lot about my infertility and any chance to save any eggs, what that process would be like, how long my lifespan might be, what the difference would be if we saved eggs versus if we didn't, how long the surgery would be, what recovery might be like, what my quality of life would be. But there really are limitless questions.
What is your basis for arriving at this type of cocktail? Who are the other specialists in the world that I can do my research on to comfort myself that this is the right course of action for my child? What contacts do you have for me where I can reach out and ask for a second and third opinion? Do you have their phone number, their email address? Can you make an introduction? What are the side effects that I should be prepared for that's going to happen to my child? Could you tell me questions that I'm not even thinking of asking because I don't know what I don't know? I don't want to miss a key question if I don't know to ask it.
As you are building a relationship with your doctor and going to appointments, it is so important that you advocate for yourself and that you use your voice. You are in the driver's seat of your health, and so you have to vocalize your needs, always ask your questions, and make sure that you are on top of your own health. Your doctor can't do that for you. You are driving the ship, and they are coming along and assisting you to help you get to your destination. So make sure you feel right about the decisions that you're making. And if you don't, express your concerns to your doctor. Be very honest and upfront with them always.